Well, thank you for joining me today, and we're going to talk about how to add in your designs into your collections. So come with me and see how we do that. It's a shorter video than the one before, so stay with me anyway, and I'll show you how to do that and also show you some of my designs and how they're looking at the minute. So stay with me for that and let's go. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Okay, let's go. So you go into your Redbubble account and your icon at the top here, and you'll go into Manage Portfolio. So go into that icon, Manage Portfolio, and this is where your Manage Portfolio section is. And I click the asterisk there, or a tick button there, and hit collections. Type in the name of your collection, so gold, Celtic, dragon, can't spell there, black and white, okay, moon eclipse, and then hit that plus sign beside it, so that puts it in those lists there, and hit that, select it, okay, and then press add. So one work has successfully been added to gold, Celtic, dragon, black and white, moon eclipse. So go into my shop here just to check it. Scroll down and just, you're at the top here, that's gold, Celtic, dragon, clouds, that's the coloured one. The clouds are coloured there. So there's the gold, Celtic, black and white, we click that. Just scrolling down here. Explore your designs and just pick the one you want, gold, Celtic, dragon, black and white, moon eclipse, and this will show you the whole thing. So that'll show you all your designs here, and we're just scrolling down. I want to check the leggings just to see what they look like. I think I've just gone past them there. So you'll see all of your design on all your bits and pieces of items, right? Just scrolling up again. So there's the leggings there, right? Click those. And I put the dragon on the side of the leg, as you can see, and you can see a bit there as well. I just moved it over. And then just had the other side black leg. You can download the actual template, and if you want to sort them out a bit different, but I just tried it that way, see what it looked like, just for something different. Didn't want to repeat the same design across both legs, just wanted to see what it was like in one leg. And there's somebody else that's done a dragon there, so you can see some other people's designs might be similar to yours. Not really that similar, but we'll see anyway. Just scrolling up again. So that's what it looks like. So really the dragon's down the side of the leg. So, which is cool. So really pleased with that. So that's all of the designs. You'll scroll up and down to check those out. So I've put a watermark across my designs so that they're protected, so you can do that with your design. I'll show you about that some other day. And that's really it. So into the account. That's it, done. So thank you for watching, and I hope that really helps you with your designs and about adding into your collections. So you can do your design, upload your design, then add it into your collection, and it'll show you across the top of where the collections are. So once you add your collection, it's right across the top, and then your designs are down below that. So really cool, really pleased with that, and thanks for joining me. So I would love it if you could subscribe and ring that bell. There's about 1,000 views on my videos per week and that, and I would love it, love it, love it if you, I'm talking to you, if you could subscribe. That would be awesome. You'd be supporting me as an artist and supporting my channel, and I'd love that. So thank you for watching so far, and next time I'll maybe look at how to watermark your artwork, so stay tuned for that. So thank you for joining me, and see you soon. Bye for now.